never change a winning formula. Why Andrew Holness should continue as Prime Minister. In the world of sports, there is a saying, never change a winning formula. It's a principle that holds true not just on the field, but in the realm of politics as well. When a leader is achieving great results, why risk disrupting the progress? This is precisely why Andrew Holness should be given the mandate to continue as Prime Minister of Jamaica. Andrew Holness has demonstrated effective leadership and achieved significant milestones during his tenure. His policies have led to economic growth, improved infrastructure, and better social services. For instance, the $45 billion Spark program has been a game changer, improving roads and water supply across multiple constituencies. Under his leadership, new housing developments like the Union Acres housing development in Irwin have been inaugurated, providing much needed homes for Jamaicans. Changing leadership can disrupt ongoing projects and policies. It's essential to maintain the momentum and stability that Wholeness has established to ensure continued progress. Allowing Wholeness to complete his initiatives ensures that the moment and stability he has established will continue. The momentum and the stability he has established needs to continue. This continuity is crucial for the sustained development and growth of Jamaica. The Jamaica Labour Party (JLP) has consistently outperformed the People's National Party (PNP) in various constituencies. In Andrew Holness constituency, St. Andrew West, St. Andrew West Central, significant infrastructure projects and housing developments have been launched. In contrast, Mark Golding's constituency, that's St. Andrews Southern, has seen less impactful development with concerns about the maintenance and overall impact of initiatives. The JLP's success in delivering better results in terms of infrastructure development, economic growth, and social services is evident. It is evident. It is like night and day. Andrew Holness has a proven ability to lead, having been tested in various governmental roles. His tenure as Prime Minister has shown his capacity to handle complex issues and drive national progress. In contrast, the opposition leader and the opposition leaders in general lack the same level of experience. Their performance in their constituencies has been questionable, raising doubts about their ability to govern effectively on a national level. The JLP are using elected members in their leadership while the PNP go for rejects. Yes, and there is nothing democratic in forcing losers in the place of winners, or where winners were necessary. For example, Peter Bunting lost to Rhoda Moy Crawford in the last election, indicating that the people rejected him. But now, after being brought in through the Senate, he parades as a substantial leader in the PNP. Dayton Campbell and Crawford are also reject leaders. Mark Golding himself would be a reject if Omar Davis had not planted him in a safe seat. The electorate's trust in the JLP's leadership and policies is evident from their electoral success. This confidence is a testament to the party's ability to deliver on its promises and lead the country effectively. Elections are about choosing leaders who can deliver. Leaders who can deliver will deliver the results that are necessary, right? So you must take it very serious to find the right one. Andrew Holness has a track record of success with specific achievements in economic growth, infrastructure development, and social services. His leadership has had a positive impact on Jamaica, driving progress and development. In contrast, the opposition has struggled to make a significant impact in their constituencies. Their lack of tangible results raises questions about their ability to lead the country effectively. I mean, if you cannot make a positive impact in a small constituency, why would you want to run a country for personal gains? Huh? The opposition often resorts to spreading misinformation and propaganda. It's crucial to focus on facts and tangible achievements rather than baseless claims. Highlighting the harmful effects of propaganda on national unity is essential. A fact based discourse is vital for the betterment of Jamaica. People who go against that truth do not wish well for this country. In conclusion, the team never changed. A winning formula perfectly encapsulates perfectly encapsulates why Andrew Holness should continue as Prime Minister. His proven track record, stability, comparative performance, leadership experience, electoral success, and focus on results make a compelling case for his continued leadership. Let's support Andrew Holness for continued progress and stability in Jamaica. Because we want to win and continue winning, because we do not want to be languishing all day at the bottom of this whirlpool of humans and human endeavors, because we want to see Jamaica become the nation of class that God has blessed it to be and to hold its place in this world. Think on these things, my people. Peace out.